Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to sell products on TikTok with CJ Dropshipping. Now, we're here on CJ Dropshipping, and if you go to my CJ right here, what we can do first to start earning and selling our products on TikTok is we can go here to store authorization. Now here you will see TikTok option that we already have a TikTok option. If we click on TikTok option, click add store, here you will see, as you can see, for TikTok stores, please list products from TikTok section. While this is a great way to get started, I would suggest you to start on Shopify. So if you want to sell products on TikTok, start by connecting your Shopify store right here. As you can see, I already connected my Shopify store so that you can start selling on TikTok. So TikTok is just a marketing channel, but you will need a storefront, a store that you can send people from TikTok to your store, right? Now you will need that, and that is probably the best way to do it is through Shopify. So as you can see, we have Shopify right here, and what you can do is you can go to your basically apps here and go click on CJ Dropshipping, or you can also go to Shopify apps here on Google and go to Shopify App Store right here and make sure to log in into your Shopify store and make sure to type in CJ Dropshipping. And once you type in CJ Dropshipping, you'll be able to connect CJ Dropshipping here, click on it, and you will be able to click add and install, and then you will be able to connect CJ Dropshipping right here with your store. Now that you have a store, you can now start selling on TikTok with CJ Dropshipping. So how can you start seeing what products are viral on TikTok? Go to CJ Dropshipping right here in the left upper corner, and here, as you can see, you'll be basically on the page where you can go and you can basically see all the products. So as you can see, the products, if they have a lot of listings, that means that products are selling really well. So if we scroll down just a little bit, we will see that you have recommended products for e-commerce platforms. So click on TikTok right here. And if we go on TikTok right here, we can see what is selling the best on TikTok, as you can see, which is pretty awesome. As you can see, top winning TikTok products to make your business go viral. Now here, as you can see, this is one of the crystals, 2000 listings. This is really good. If you click on it, we can click on the listings right here. And as you can see, this is basically hot selling stone crystal pillar. So if you go here to TikTok, let's go to TikTok here, and let's just visit TikTok right here just to show you if you know what kind of videos you can create with this basically products. So we'll just skip this and we'll just go accept all, ignore all of this. We'll just go here and say hot selling stone, or like stone crystal. Here we can copy this, we can go here, click on it, and here we can see the stone crystals right here. As you can see, crystal flashlight, how to find gems. Okay, as you can see, crystal identification. So these are the videos that people are doing, and in the backend they're selling crystals, right? Now let's go to another right here, another basically TikTok winning product. Let's say a pair of false eyelashes. So fake eyelashes are selling pretty good as well here on TikTok. We can see here eyelashes. So let's type in fake eyelashes here. So fake eyelashes, let's click here, and as you can see, we can see that a lot of people are basically promoting them and then selling them as well later on. As you can see, these are basically really popular products, and just by going here on top winning products, going on a product and searching it in TikTok, seeing how other people are doing their marketing, you can do that yourself, and you can sell products on TikTok with obviously Shopify and CJ Dropshipping to help you out with finding winning products. Now, as you can see, this is just one way of how to sell products on TikTok with CJ Dropshipping and Shopify. If you want more videos like this, comment down below. Also, like, what you need most help with, and I'll create more videos on that. But thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.